Hey guys, so all of these online betting apps like DraftKings and Kalshi are really popular, but I just want you to know that you cannot, according to the Internal Revenue Code, net your losses against your gains. So if you win $10,000, but you also lose $10,000, you still have to declare $10,000 in winnings on your tax return. The only way you can write off that $10,000 loss is if you itemize your deductions on your Schedule A, which means you give up that enormous standard deduction and instead you list out all of these other items on Schedule A, like your state local tax, your real estate tax, health care expenses if they exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. So that means you have to have a lot of medical expenses to be able to write those off. Charitable contributions, and then this loss on gambling would apply. But under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, only 90% of your loss is deductible. So again, if you lost $10,000, you're only going to be able to write off up to $9,000. And again, that's if all of those deductions that I said exceed the standard deduction, that's when you're going to itemize. If they don't exceed the standard deduction, then you're not getting any benefit. The one thing that you should know about your winnings, though, is you don't declare the amount that you wagered. You only declare the amount you won. So if you bet $100 and you win 105, you really only won $5. So that winning wager is only $5 gain. That's only a $5 income amount. So that's taxable. So just pay attention to that when you're providing your information to your tax accountant. But yeah, there's a lot of misinformation out there, and the bottom line is, it may not be worth it to gamble unless you're going to gamble a lot and make a lot of money doing it. You're going to pay a lot of tax on little amounts, right? So talk to your tax accountant, or your tax attorney, or your CPA, and get the right advice before you earn this income. And for more advice from a CPA, please like and subscribe. Thank you.